Okay, guys, this is Henry here again. Like, if you're in my group right now, I'm just doing this video for proof again. If you're in my group, any of my WhatsApp group, I just posted a signal now. I said buy USD JPY. Now, as you can see, this is the proof. Let me see if I can. First of all, posted sell CAD JPY, and this is the proof. This is the proof of it. So I sent the screenshot because I have already closed the sale. Then I sent now buy USD JPY. Look at it. I just sent it. This is 8:49 a.m. and today's date is the 29th of September 2020. Trade. Is it still going? Yes, it's still going. So as you can see, the money may not really come huge, big, but there's one thing I tell my students: let us focus on making at least $50 to $100 daily. Let us focus on that, making $50 to $100 daily. At least if you don't have enough money deposited in your balance, and maybe you're not trading with enough lot size, at least just focus on making at least $10 to $20 daily.